In today's beginner's guide to makeup, I'll be showing you how to create this classic smoky eye to match any lip shade in 5 easy steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Prime. Priming your lids is essential for a smoky eye. If you want your shadow to stay crease-free and flawless for the day, primers will also make your eyeshadows pop. Step 2. Choose your transition shade. This will be a light brown shadow that is about 2 shades darker than your skin tone. It can be cool or warm tone depending on preference. I personally prefer warm shades on my pale skin. Sweep this back and forth across your crease right above your eyeball. Using what is left on the brush, lightly sweep upwards towards the brow bone for a natural fade. Always make sure to keep the inner corner clean. Step 3. Create some depth. When creating a smoky eye, you will go from lightest to darkest. Choose a dark brown eyeshadow and pat onto your lids to create the depth on the lid. Be sure to go back with a clean blending brush and soften any edges. Step 4. Smoke it out. Create that smoky effect by taking a black eyeshadow on a pencil brush and applying a line right by your lashes, the same way you would apply eyeliner. Then smoke it out with a blending brush. Don't forget to add liner on the waterline and smoke out the lower lash line for that true classic smoky eye. Step 5. Highlight. Add a light shimmery shade on the brow bone and the inner corner of the eye. This will open up the eyes and really make them pop. Add mascara and lashes as desired and your look is complete. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and just kind of update you on what's been going on in my life. I feel really bad because I've kind of been a bit MIA from YouTube for a while and kind of been gone for a couple of weeks and I just kind of wanted to explain myself because I think you guys deserve that. I mean, some of you guys have been supporting my channel for the last 10 years and I just feel that I need to kind of explain myself a little bit. So there's been like lots of changes in my life. I turned 30, I got engaged. It's been just an incredible few weeks. I'm so blessed and I'm so grateful. I love you guys so much and I am very excited to get to work and creating some new content for you guys. I have some more makeup lessons lined up. I also have a very exciting video up this weekend. It's going to be totally different, totally outside of my comfort zone, but it's something that's so highly requested, and that's how to edit on your smartphone. So that question is something I get asked in my inbox like nearly every day. So that's going to be up for you guys this weekend. I hope you have an incredible week. I love you guys so much. And again, I'm sorry that I'm a bit kind of MIA on YouTube, but I'll see you guys soon. Bye!